Welcome to NCrypto, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to claim Hamster daily keeper code or Morse code. So let's get started, guys. So guys, before we start the video, make sure subscribe my channel, like and share, and make sure subscribe my Telegram channel NCrypto 10. Today's Morse code is ETA. So we know, guys, E means tab, dash is T, H means 4 tab, 1 2 3 4. Let's try again. Tab, dash, tab, 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 dot, dot, dash, dot. So you guys see, we claim our 1 million keeper or Morse code, however. Thanks for the watching, guys.